make. Bring out your pure essence. Store them in pouches if you have some. Run north. Teleport. If you have a pickaxe, mine the rock. If you have a woodcutting axe, chop the tentacles or tendrils, whatever they are. Run until you see the nature rift. Click on it. Look for someone who's saying open extrude. And craft your nature runes. Say thanks or something to be nice. Teleport back to Edgeville. Bank and repeat. Hey guys, here's a tip. When your pouch degrades, just go past this first. Once you're there, repair your pouches, and then you can start uncrafting again. Hey guys, I'm just coming back to show you the results. Overall, this took 90 minutes, and I did get a maze during while running, so here are the results. 9.2 mil, and this was from the maze. This is a great money making method. Well, I don't really have much to say, so take care.